Don't you agree that everyone loves a good promotion and enjoys buying things on sale or at a discount? Food to Go is piloting different promotions to see what impact they will have on orders. Last month, they tested out a new early bird promotion. Customers who ordered meals on weekdays between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. or 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. would receive 15% off their total bill. Ishan was hoping that this would encourage more orders and at the same time help to ease some of the delivery congestion during busy peak hours. Ishan is excited to see what impact this promotion had and has asked Alia to collate this information and present it to the team tomorrow. Alia decides to represent this information visually using charts so that the team can compare the data and identify trends easily. The phrase "a picture paints 1,000 words" is perfect to explain the power of charts. A chart can strengthen a message significantly, and a single chart can convey multiple messages which are hard to spot from data alone. Charts are considered one of Excel's strongest features, and there is so much we can do with them. Before going any further, here's a sample column chart. Let's walk through its elements. This chart uses columns to compare values across different rating categories. The chart has a horizontal axis, which is called the x-axis, and this contains customer rating categories. The vertical axis is called the y-axis and shows the values along an even scale, which in this example is number of reviews. Now each category has 4 columns, and these represent individual data series, in this case, quarters in a year. The color coding and the legend key help us identify which column represents which quarter. This chart consists of a chart title along with horizontal and vertical axis titles. These numbers on top of each column are called value data labels because they show the exact value of each column, which is helpful when the scale is hard to read. Now the area our values are plotted on is known as the plot area, while the entire chart, including its elements, is known as the chart area. Now there are many different types of charts, and it's important to understand how they are populated and what they represent. Let's review some common chart types before learning how to create charts. Column charts are good overall charts and work well with most types of data. Data that's organized in rows and columns can be plotted in a column chart. In these charts, like we just saw, categories are usually displayed on the x-axis and values on the y-axis. Line charts can also be plotted using data arranged in rows or columns. In a line chart, categories are equally spaced out along the horizontal axis, while vertical data is evenly spaced out along the vertical axis. Since continuous data can be plotted against equal time intervals, line charts are ideal for showing trends over time. This is a pie chart. Pie charts are unique in that they show the proportion of parts to a whole. Data arranged in a single column or a row is most suitable for a pie chart. In a pie chart, individual values are represented as a percentage of the whole pie. Now a bar chart is basically a column chart turned on its side. Categories are typically organized along the vertical axis and values are plotted along the horizontal axis. Bar charts can be used to show comparisons between individual things very clearly. The final chart we look at is an area chart. Area charts are similar to line charts, except that the area underneath lines is filled in. The sum of plotted values gives the total value of a variable over time. Therefore, area charts can also show the relationship of parts to a whole. Now in Excel, you can find all the chart commands in the Insert ribbon under the Chart group. If we click on the arrow at the bottom right, we can see all the chart types available in Excel. And if we click through them, we will see a description of each chart type, which is really handy. Explore the Charts menu to familiarize yourself with all the options available and remind yourself of what each chart type is best for.